going live. We are live. Nice. Just to share the link somehow, somewhere to find the link. Home live. Home share copy. Hello guys. So we are again starting with coffee trading, enjoying, having good time, and Jibus, if it's not problem till I tweet about the live stream, can you just take over about disclaimer from start of the video to not
Yeah,
have
sure.
problem? Thanks.
Yeah. So what we do here is with our own money, lots and lots of risk involved. We are well and truly prepared to use all of it in our YOLO account, so don't copy trade us. Bad idea. What we are doing is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. We're not licensed for that, nor will we ever say do this or do that. This is just streaming for purely for our benefit and amusement. If you learn some stuff on the way, congrats. That's it.
Thanks, mate. Just tweeted about streams so we can start. If
I think you're my only follower, so
Yep.
there's no use me tweeting.
No, that's okay, man. Steiny, what's up? Razor, what's up? Just to continue about yesterday position, so you can see my grid from trying to get out from this. Hey man, what's up?
Not yet, just got in the office.
Ooh, nice. So you're really drinking coffee. So the title is good. Drinking coffee, trading, making money. That's fine. Sharing with the traders.
Hopefully making money.
We will make money. That's not a problem. Problem is that those 4 days a year when we're really going to lose. But if we
Hopefully
make
we're
more,
rich by then.
yeah.
Doesn't matter. I hadn't been tracking my trading at all throughout the day while I was on lunch breaks and stuff like that. And I was pleasantly just surprised to see that I'd made like 1.5% already. I was like, oh, that makes tonight easier.
Nice. I'm on my baby account. 1%. I don't know
Yep,
what I did.
that was my baby account. Already done my 1%. I'm gonna start drinking heavily.
Ooh, nice, man.
No, I'm not actually. I'm really sick at the moment, so I'm actually drinking green tea and honey and lemon. Yum.
I think
Rum
schnapps will help you.
Schnapps?
Schnapps, yep.
I have some plum schnapps that someone made for me recently.
That's great for cold and stuff like that.
Warm beer is supposed to help.
Disgusting warm beer.
Yeah.
That's actually illegal in Australia. We're not allowed to drink it. If anyone sees you drinking a warm beer, you're actually kicked out of wherever you are at the time. You have to sleep on the streets for the night.
That's pretty
True
harsh.
story. Yeah, we're a harsh nation of convicts, mate.
Yeah, that's right. I always forget about that.
Mm.
Steiny, do just a second. Thanks for good words for my algos. I don't care sell on or no. I'm enjoying my life. I am retired, so making money aside, that's great. Like never enough money, and we are trading. But this 100 strategies, 1,000 strategies, that doesn't make sense. If you want friendly advice, like pick something that will work with your strategy. So like combine few stuff. I agree with that. That's like you having a few more professional traders around you. That's going to say same thing. Then you can take a trade, but doesn't make sense to learn them all because you will never finish. Then you will never take a position. You should find similar strategies to your style and evolve there. So like just pick a few. I told you I'm using 7 that are really similar. Only sometimes is difference with the trend or against the trend. That's the only difference. So again, I don't care what style you will going to use. If you're making money, that's great. But my friendly advice for you is pick something that is going to be great for your style and make you more money. That's only important thing. So again, you can do whatever you want. Just this was from top, from bottom of my heart. Just please pick something that really match your style. Content trade is my style, nice. Then just find out how much you're willing to give a room before the retracement, and that's essentially it. As you can see on my grid, we were live and I started longing this, and as you can see I was really in bad position, but I like wiggle myself out of this. It's still a loser. I will make it a winner later. It really doesn't matter.
Looks much better than it did.
Yep, in one moment it was almost 40 bucks drawdown. So like this is fine.
This is fine. In our chat, we actually call this Brian wadding yourself out
Yep.
of a position, out of a bad position, because I've seen him do. What was he? He was like 60 grand down at one point recently. 60 or 13 grand down at one point, and he ended up like tripling it in profit or some shit. I was like, how did you? What?
Yeah, what the hell just happened? Like, is this real? Or somebody making fun of me?
That's why
Yeah.
last name what?
What?
Yeah, what? Oh, nice. I didn't think of that.
What is going on here?
Let us check. Did my fib change? Everything is the same like yesterday. Still don't.
Stuck in range of your fib.
Yep, I don't need to fix this because we don't have any
Oh,
range.
that's such a nice fib, dude. That green one.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember you saying, we can go down to here. And me going, God, I hope we don't fucking go down to here.
I told
I
you
had no
so.
time yet for fibs. I'm just clicking buttons.
Yep, I'm with you. This is above me. I'm just a filthy scalper.
Yeah, but with this, with me combining 15 minutes with 5 minutes, and I have a general idea where the bots and algo is going to start taking profits. For me, like, for me personally, I think I'm not sure that I can go better than this. Like, as you saw my pair, look, this pair I can trade blindfolded. A look at the reactions, like 1,000 times perfect reactions.
I'm sure you come out with some auto fib bot tool.
uh, it's so hard to explain the bot where to find a swing that's important and where to take from what swing to from which to which swing. So it sounds easy, but it's actually not. And look, I forgot just to change the. I forgot to front run myself. This was short position. I hope you see. Yep. This was my short position and I forgot to front run myself. And yeah, now it's not important anymore.
Too late. Too late. Yeah, as we were talking in the other chat not long ago, I had a prime short on the cable lined up. I even drew a line on my chart. I'm like, all right, this line we're gonna short, and I didn't put an order in, and it spiked to the line, rejected instantly, and now that would have probably been the best trade of my day so far. God damn it.
You hang
Yeah,
out
there it is.
with the wrong persons, man. You
Yeah,
you
no,
found that
you
from me.
shorted it. You shorted it. I can see. You
Yeah,
got it.
that's on the cable, man. But I have the problems. You saw my lines, and I often ask myself where the fuck this line came from. Just I forget, and I don't take orders there. Let me find some lines. I have to have some lines. That's no, it's not possible for me. Let me find the lines.
I had a few good entries yesterday by additionally using the 15-minute envelope as a resting order.
See, I have some lines, and I bet you, like, it will uh, react on my lines. And I forgot these lines, what they are really. Maybe if I go back, but that's too much work, man. Like, just put an order.
If they get hit, they get hit.
Just put order there and scalp some and make some money. That's okay. It's tiny. For you to be able to find the fibs, you need only practice, nothing more. You need to look at the chart and look the one thing when it fail to do something important, then you just take a fib there and that's it. No more complicated than it is actually. I can like shit on stream and try to make it more complicated and make myself smart, but to be 100% honest, you only find a really bad swing that something lost or didn't gain, and you take a fib there, and that's it. That's the whole math behind it. Reason I'm good with NAS 100, it's like pair that's most related to me and my style. I remember Brian one time said like, choose a pair or chart and just trade it. If it's going good for you, don't change anything. If you're making money, do it. So I'm trading US 500 because it's cheaper, but for my style and the best money I made, I remember on NAS 100 on other exchange, my first brutal winning rate, 85%, was NAS 100. So you find your pair, freaking take a swing and make money. That's it. You can change like trade few more pairs. That's not a problem. But everybody will have something that is most related to you, and you will find that chart. When you find it, don't stop trading. If it's going good for you, that's okay. Risk 2%. So look at swings which have lost important level or gained. Also look at impulsive moves, right? For this little channel though, I am a real account that started. Yep, and now only because I can't use smaller. Man, Jeeves, you're doing better than me on small account. So congrats, kicking
I've just
my
been
ass.
luckier, mate.
No. Luck doesn't. You can be lucky 2 days, maybe three, but this is going for longer time now. So no, that's not luck.
You guys hear me?
Yep.
Sure can.
Hello. Back from the gym.
Ooh.
Congrats. You're alive. That's
I'm
a
busy
plus, right?
busy with self, and then I wrote down go to the gym every day. So number one.
You're too loud. Can you like little bit uh turn
You should
down?
also, as your number two rule, you should write do not trade indices on a small account.
he can do it on MT5 because it's 0.1 lot, not one lot.
cTrader's so pretty.
Yep, agree with you
And
there.
cTrader only has one lot.
Yep.
Please, man,
Steiny.
Razer, just your volume on mic, pull it down a bit,
You
please.
can lower him on your Discord yourself for the stream.
Yeah, because of the stream. Yeah.
Yeah,
Better,
right.
is
right.
it better now?
I will
It's
do it
better,
manually.
Still loud.
Already changed some, maybe.
Yep, I fix it. No problem. That's fine now.
I mean, for the
Okay.
stream, we can fix it ourselves, basically, however we need it level. But for the stream audio, you have to.
Yep, I fix it. No problem now.
Good.
We have a lot to market open. Okay.
Steiny, what was your what were you looking on the Euro USD out of curiosity? Because I was looking to long that too, but it didn't quite go where I wanted it to. We got a chart, mate?
I promise you today, Jebus, my friend, we will look in this colored thingy and
Lose it all.
find how it works on extremes and where are real extremes. So again, 15 minutes, 70 is okay, but I think 80 would be perfect. No, it's not going to 80. Okay, now it's going. Ooh, it went to 80 one time. Okay. So here went to 80. Let us look at that extreme. So it was this one. If you started shorting on 70, as you should, on 70, maybe even here. So to 80. Oh, that's not so bad. So your target is always 21. So after that, maybe get out. This is one bad day, but you can brine yourself out of this.
Standard.
Yep, and after
Yeah,
that,
that dump out of it would be good to get out of.
after higher highs, when I we already agree, we have swings on trees and the big dumps. This one on first. This was even second. This doesn't count because it starts from one. This was being dumped, so again trees. 1, 2. So we had third swing and big dump. Yep, works same as everything else. Nice. So we have only one extreme, and here is second extreme on 80 plus. How much is that? If you started shorting on 70 here, if you started shorting, this is again 0.62. It's manageable. If you start small, this is not too much. Like I did Aussie dollar, US dollar 6% pump, and we made it a winner. So this is really manageable. It's no problem, and we have 1, 2, 3 swings and dump.
But
Same.
don't try that at home, kids, until you know how to do it.
Yep, this is not financial advice, and I'm not sure you have this indicator. It's a bit different, custom made. To be honest, I am not sure of the settings I was making for the professional trader, but we use it as we see fits our strategy. So like, maybe it's not the proper way, but it's working for us.
But we'll steal it anyway.
Yeah, it's not stealing. That's my indicator. Theoretically, I made it. Practically, I made it, but maybe this is not the right way to use it. It fits our strategy. but I'm almost certain that's not the right way of using it. Misha is not here from yesterday. He made me work on this indicator. He's using this RSI with the normal RSI in 1 minute, and he's killing it. That's crazy. Like combining normal RSI in 1 minute and 15 minutes this RSI, and he's making money every day. So like I'm 100% certain that's not the right way to use this indicator, but he found a way for himself, and that's generally my idea. Like if it matches your style and you're making money, doesn't matter what you're doing. Like just continue doing that because well you're making money. Don't don't fool yourself. Like I need to be like this guy or that guy. Like I cannot trade like Brian. I don't have that account. I don't have access to smaller spread, so I have to adapt my own strategy to his. And I don't say mine is better or his. Probably his better. But that doesn't matter at the end. I need to make
Probably
money.
the professional traders better.
Yep, agree with that. But again, adapt, make your own style, and make money. As I like told you even you like you watch some of my videos and some of my ideas, but you evolve from that and you're trading your own style and making even more money than me. That's nice percentage. So only important thing like find your way and just make money. Impulse mode, important level. And Steiny fee projection is not most important thing. It's good. I found a way to use it, as you saw. But at the end, I can trade, and I traded without that like too long, and made money. My original strategy is 21-200 with the candlestick pattern. That's something I'm comfortable doing in my dream. Let me find some projection for you.
Have you got 21? That yellow is 21, right?
Yep, I always use
Yeah.
always. Like there's no chart I am not using 21. That's something I'm I know I make terrible sounds, guys. Sorry. I need to watch myself. Like we are on stream.
Thinking sound.
Yeah, and like don't make this nuclear physics. This failed and made a big new law. Like just take a swing on that. And as you can see, it worked perfectly. Perfectly. That's 4 hour. And I need to find one other way around. So this failed to make a new high. This failed to make a new low. But this is the swing. This is the swing for that. From this to... Is this a lower low? No, this is lower low. Can you hear store?
Not yet.
Oh, nice. It's like really, really big store. Change on 15 minutes. Let's do the... I hate this pair. Oh my goddamn it! Like this is the only pair I have problem with my fibs. It still works, but it's not awesome as on other pairs. You can see it still
I
works.
think I hear the rain in the background now.
Yep. It's
Have a look at cable, by the way,
nothing changed there.
on 5 minute.
Okay, we're going down. If you ask me, we're going down here. This swing is untested. But I de-risked a bit. Our position is 0.02 and it was 0.07 in one moment. So
Yeah, a little better, right?
so it's fine. I need. Hmm, I don't see the obvious trade. This is struggling to gain 21 or 50 minutes. That's good for me because uh,
The other thing that makes this kind of in a no trade zone for me is it's just like walking along the EMAs, both of the EMAs, just flat. I'm like, not really interested in trading that.
Schooler, what's up? I have a problem with Euro USD. I stopped trading it. To be honest, that's the pair I am really not comfortable. I have like 6 bots so far, 7 bots. Not one strategy is good for Euro USD on my settings, not to other people's settings, but on my settings, only candlestick patterns. So like I skip that pair. Like I can trade 100 different things. It doesn't have to be something where I don't make good money and I feel bad every time. So I just skipped the pair. Uh, Jeeves, we forgot this morning. I was working on the AI with my team on the Python. So we are developing future projection on RSI and future projection on EMA. We figured out maybe we cannot uh, predict the price, but maybe we can like 80% predict the EMA and the RSI. So we were trying that, and I missed this trade. But this line are from all the way here. Did you take this? You said you were shorting this morning. We were talking, yeah. Jibs.
Yeah, I actually lined up quite a few shorts to get that, and I did take one. What time was that at? Oh, how long ago was that?
Um, long ago we can measure because it's on New York Times. My charts.
Oh yeah, that was the one I
4 hours.
got. Except I got out. I didn't get out at the very top. I got out on. There was a retrace on the 5 minute just before it topped out. Unfortunately, if I'd stayed in and added one more round,
Poof.
probably would have been very, very rich.
Yep.
Well,
You would make
demo rich.
100% on the.
Yeah, for sure. That would have been probably close to 20% of the account.
Yep. Raining. Sorry guys, I'm reading 40's comments on Discord. Okay, let's continue. We have a crazy team. School, a 3 minute trend starts in the way to go on your 3 minutes. Maybe you're right. I never tried the 3 minute. I promise you, I suck on this pair. Maybe you're right.
I'm
Extreme.
getting very close to longing the cable,
Ooh,
even
look,
though you say it's going down.
look. I said downish. It doesn't have to be down. God damn it. Get down.
God damn it!
Uh,
Get to the jobber.
chopper can be here. I'm going too long with you, but more down.
Down further. I'll start my scale in soon. Not yet.
And this Dixie, look at the projection. Can't go better than that. Fuck. Where is Smokes? I need to show him what is accurate. Can't go better than this. Look, and this is two different projection. One is to upside, one is to downside, as you can see. But it works perfect, and I think we can touch this line Touch the line.
Triple top.
I cannot short freaking NAS 100. It didn't last 21, not even on 15 minutes. I don't like that.
Boo.
I lost you. What did you said?
I just said boo.
Abu.
Said you can't short it.
Yep. Almost there. Come on. At least a bit more. And look at the other side. It can go like down, 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 down. Do you want me to scare you?
No. Why would I want that, Sasha?
Where is next fee projection after this one?
No. No. No next. No next. Okay.
God,
Fine. Just
God
leave
damn it.
it. Look, I'm a scalper.
Yep.
Alright? I'm not interested in your 15-minute projections. Okay? You show me
Okay.
on a 1 second chart, I'll be interested.
Okay, no
This
bro.
is what I'm doing to convince myself. Alright?
Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Long, everything long, long.
Long and all.
Ah, I'm late. Come on, ninja. Come on. Woo. And now I lost the count. God damn it, I clicked the wrong button again. No, I'm just kidding. Ooh, 3 cents in profit. Go, go, go. And I'm losing now. Why am I losing? This is going down. Come on, cable. Push it. Cable, please. What's the problem with you? Like, can you push the button?
Come on, pump it. Pump it.
Saurab, Fatil. Sorry, dude. Maybe I'm not pronouncing names. I couldn't even properly speak my own language, so like in advance, sorry if I did it wrong. Hi, thanks for being here. Hope you're making money, doing better than me. Who the hell told me to long the cable? God damn it! Again, I will have to do the nuclear physics to get myself from this position. God damn it.
Did you enter bad? It's not gone yet, right? We got time. It'll be fine.
I'm losing, man. Doesn't matter.
We spend most of our days in a losing position until it's not in a losing position and we win money. Yay!
Yay. Just wanted to tell you, if you're doing Euro USD and the 40 said yesterday he's doing that on 3 minutes, and somebody in chat today called 3 minutes. It was Schooler, and thank you, Schooler. I agree with you, like 3 minutes is much better on Euro USD. Maybe my problem was I'm trying to do something on 15 minutes that's actually good on 3 minutes. So, Dojan Srb, hello. So, Jibas, if you're using your USD, this colored thingy is really good. Really, really good. I really like it.
Your colored
Ooh.
RSI with MA.
Yep.
You don't change any of the settings in it, do you?
No,
Like
no.
on any chart.
I don't know what the settings are. I'm not professional on the RSI, so like I steal idea from the dude that I made. He told me like I want these settings to be default, and I was like, okay, no problem. And it works. Like, don't change stuff that works because you don't know what are you changing. And again, lower low. See, stupid. This is not. happening on other pairs. Like if you wanted to long this swing, like you would get wrecked and then it's going your way. That's really stupid. And you didn't get chance to get into this swing. This, I know we're lagging. I don't know how much seconds, maybe 10, 12.
I don't think it's too far. Ninth red candle on cable in a row. On 5.
Somebody told me just long the fucking... not listening to myself. God damn it.
You said you were gonna go in lower. Why wouldn't you do that?
Because
I said
it's
I would
free,
do
man.
scaling.
Yeah,
Don't make my mistakes.
man, you make more percentage than me, so like, listen to other people.
That's a good point. We probably should put that pop up on screen, so that each person talking is identified. I'm Jeebus. I'm the one with the Aussie accent.
Yep, and I am the one that doesn't know how to talk properly, so like you cannot miss me. Like if you see somebody stuttering, any word doesn't make sense, that's Sasha, don't worry. That's it.
I'm the one not talking.
Always watching though. Always watching. Always listening. Always record.
Yep. Schooler, wait for confirmation on the Euro USD. Well, I actually have a bot for that. but but on Euro USD it's not so good. Like to be honest, my bot in 2019 made much more money on the how it calls. Let me check on Discord. I think it was USD. Some stupid African something. Somebody. 40, you know that pair. You were testing with me.
Which one?
Forex
when
pair.
about?
Forex pair on institutional level. We had a pair that made the most money. USD.
Oh yes, with the South African something. ZAR?
Oh,
USD
the
ZAR.
ZAR.
ZAR, yeah. Ooh,
And,
thanks.
yeah. The wild west of currency. The crypto of the FX world.
Yeah.
Yeah. The first green trade, 54 cents.
Ooh, nice. Making money. So only I suck today again. That, like, somebody's going to take a wheel and live streaming, and I'm going to trade better. No, just kidding.
Still really slow, right? We won't pick up for another half hour at least.
Yellow line on cable. Hey, yellow line. Just heads up. Ooh.
What does that mean, Sasha? Explain to us what the yellow line means.
I don't know. Just long the fucking cable. Did you hear that noise just now?
No.
Ooh.
Is that your UPS kicking in?
Almost. This one was close.
And family hiding under the table in the kitchen.
Yep. Well, I just longed my yellow line on cable. Now I can get broke, no problem. Everything's fine. Yo, Vortex, what's up? What are you watching on stream? This Dixie dude. I don't like the RSI, to be honest. For free projection this is fine, but I'm scared if it goes lower, like that's a black hole, man. Like, oof. Again, would
Yeah.
have to nuclear physics my position.
Quite frankly, if it breaks your fib significantly, I'll just close the trade in a loss. Like one of the few ones where I'll just go, no, I'm not interested. Thanks for playing anyway.
Sorry guys, I'm push, push, push. Closed. Made money in GBP USD. Woo, nice.
Right. I'm still in mine.
I told you long the freaking yellow line. I don't I don't remember what. Let me change the screen so you can see why I was yelling yellow line, yellow line. Can you see now?
Alright, that's my first profit target.
Fatil, it was on my MT5. I only put in MT5 some really important lines like 4 weeks ago, and to be honest, I forgot what are the lines. But if I see the line, I just like respect it, because as you can see, it did great again. And this, so this one, and here, awesome. And it was great few times also.
Don't forget to hit the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel and click the bell to be notified about future streams.
Oh man, you sound like every single person my kids watch. YouTube.
Fatil, sorry.
Don't forget to like the screen,
They must watch the same guy.
Yeah. Fatil, what indicator? Like I have a few on the chart, so please, can you like, do you mean RSI or this here, or this on the right, or my bot that's actually turned off? Jibas, can you read what's here on the right?
On the right, yeah. Oh, Ryan, what's?
No, look now.
Hold on, let me. I'm streaming in 420. Let me update it. RSI scalper.
I just figured out something, guys. You have RSI scalper, everybody from the stream. I just figured out on these settings with 15 period and this, every time it went to the stop loss 1-to-1. If I added position like we doing now, I would make 100% winners and made a ton of money. So like I just moved the stop loss, and if I'm awake or something after the first stop loss should be hit, I will re-add on the position. And like I again combining stuff RSI with cloud strategy, but it works awesome.
That sounds like something you could get the bot to do by itself, yeah?
Yeah, but I need to tell Stinky Dude to finish his work and help me with this. But again, we are working on really important stuff. If we manage to make AI for a prediction on the indicators, that's even 60% if it's accurate, that's edge. So like, why not? He already made RSI on Python today and moving averages. Now he have to implement AI and start learning. So I will need to put one PC on learning part. Fatil, so here I have normal RSI with alarm. It's my custom made. You can go to NQL website, it's free. I have it for free, so you can download it. Here it's not indicator, it's EA, so it's expert advisor. this position PNL, daily PNL and daily lots, that's my custom made indicator called tongue show profits. So I don't know on which one exactly you are pointing. Here on this screen we have open hours for different times. Did you hear that?
Yeah, that was a big one. I heard that.
Yep.
Surprised I didn't hear kids screaming.
Maybe like they were so scared they just fell asleep, like something like that. My kid actually had his test for high school today, one of three. Tomorrow is second, and we practiced so much, and he was great. We were first doing online, and I knew the moment when he has to come and work on that, it will be like traders trading first time. They all know on the demo account everything perfect, and then you wrecked your account because it's not the same, because your emotions are not the same. So yep, I expected like at least 16 points, but he thinks he will have 7 and that's really bad, but we'll see. Everyone heard that back. Hi Tiny. So Fatil, like I have few free indicators. Even my color RSI, this one, is on MQL market. It's for 95. I think I have it somewhere. No? What? Why? Let me put it. I don't know why I didn't just put it there. Colored RSI. Colored RSI, test chart, and just okay. So if you're using MT5, we have indicator for MT5 itself. And to be again honest, I don't know how properly to use it, but like you find your way. I'm using on extremes, going counter trend, and somebody's using it even every move. Still would not be too bad, but again, I made this custom made for one professional trader, and I know shit about it, so just a heads up. Euro USD.
Raining there at your place?
Yep, it's a storm as like somebody messaged me. I think maybe my family is scared. No. So Brian is live, guys. Nice. Really glad for that guy. Volatility should come. We have some news. What's this? Building permits. Okay. Volatility didn't do anything. So we have crude oil later. And then we have Fed share again. Like, didn't we have Fed share yesterday? Jeeves?
Yeah, so he's testifying again.
Okay. So I closed the cable too soon. I'm just looking now. Yep, going to 21. Yep, EMA doesn't work. It's lagging indicator, so you should not use it. What is that blue and red spot on the candlestick chart? Blue and red spot. Blue and red. Okay, that's only
Are you
MT5.
talking about the candles themselves?
No, spot. I think maybe on the arrows. He thinks on the arrows.
Oh, buys and shorts.
Yeah, that's only my positions. So like you can see where I long or the short, but maybe it's uh, you have to look on if it's few candles where I started, but it's only the MT5 way of showing you like you took position here and here and there. So that's it. And these lines, that's I opened here short and I close it here. I'm sorry. So I opened here and I close it here. This one was yesterday in loss. Then I made it all back and made some profit also. Yep, there arrows. Is stream that bad? Guys, quality of stream. Can somebody check? Maybe.
No, it looks fine.
Okay. Maybe he doesn't see. So. I have some fly and it's really annoying. It's trying to get in my eye. Unbelievable. Like, it's scared about lightning. So.
Can't go join your family.
yeah, go there. Like, leave me alone. Ooh, I caught the fly. Woo, nice. Now it's going to die. Give me 30 seconds to show him who's the boss here. Sorry, guys.
I bet it's gonna eat it.
Poor fly. What's going on, Jeebus?
Just working out how I can share screenshots nicely. So that was 5 lots from there. So that was 5 lots I think I longed there, or the equivalent of 5 lots, and I took profit on the first one with two lots, and then the second one was another 2 lots, and I have 1 left, which we'll see if it runs, but my stop's at break even, so who cares
Euro
now?
USD or
I already made my money. No, that's cable.
on the cable, yeah.
Cable is looking good. I'm
It
back.
doesn't say it's cable, does it?
Cable is
Oh,
looking
wait a
good.
minute. Here's no. That one looks a bit nicer. And it tells you what it is as well.
I went back to house. I needed the restroom for a bit, and like nobody's there. Like I was running through the house.
They've abandoned the house. So like, this place is cursed. We're getting fucking out of here.
Unbelievable. Like everybody's in the same room. Like everybody's tough when talking to me and need money. But when it's storming, like everybody's in the same room. Like unbelievable.
Wonder where US 500 goes today.
US 500. Oh yeah, I didn't make the prediction, the trend for today. Well, first let's see this. I cannot be bearish on something that just tested perfectly what it needed to be tested. Gain 21 and doesn't lose it, so this looks like a long, so Dixie may be long. That means, let me confirm. Ooh. Okay. So I would agree with my first theory. I think maybe down today a bit. Doesn't have to be crazy. Yep, this is fine. And second later, like, yep. Ooh, 40 is killing it. Nice, man. Really glad for you.
And that's before breakfast.
Yep.
Energy
Imagine
coffee.
Imagine the old good days when we like said 1% a day. That's crazy. And you're all killing like 2% before like going to lunch. That's not fair.
By lunch, I'm pretty much done because it gets then really slow.
Nice, guys, Tiny.
So there's hour and 30 minutes till oil stock change, and 3 hours till Powell testifies again. That's pretty much it.
USD cat just jumped up.
Use the cat. Ooh. Let's go USD. Come on. I have short on freaking US 500. I forgot it. It's so
Everything. I shorted everything.
no, it went so long from my position US 500. I already forgot what I did. Like, what was the pair? But don't get too excited because, yep.
Short on Euro USD. Bit.
Remember the times.
You're
Maybe
long, Jeebus. All right.
Maybe your downfall is the trading the euro pair. Somehow the rest has no luck with the euro.
My cable just got my last positioning cable just got stopped out in profit. So that's it for now for me. We'll look for more opportunities. We're looking to long US 500 from the looks of it. I am. Ash
Yeah.
is not.
Yep, but not. I will start the risking. Don't worry. First to fix my cable position. What's my cable doing anyway? Loser. Big L. Big L, rest in peace. Trying to figure out this pair.
IL bought long the Aussie. Yes.
On which time frame?
Yeah. Over 15.
50 minutes.
So yeah.
still doesn't help me. Why this didn't go to my fib? Really don't understand. Yeah, it was test of this level because it
It's
wasn't.
not done yet.
Yeah, but first time. I don't understand. I understand it was testing this swing swing low, but I don't understand why it didn't go a bit higher. No, Dixie, come on. Dixie's fine. Maybe it's scared. This is 3-minute chart. God damn it, Sasha. Okay, now I understand. Now I understand why it didn't go higher. Okay. I didn't check the higher time frames. And I should. GBP.
There is no video that we have that explains fibs. You did explain some earlier, but it's still magic to me. I think it's some kind of wizardry.
You have the access to video when I was talking with Razor.
Someone in chat asked, yeah.
No, fibs. No.
Damn it, cable's pumping now. I should have moved my stop loss to below break even.
Patil, this is not fib levels like normal fib levels. It's fib projection. The fib projection. That means in the future where algos, big algos and bot are going to take profits. If somebody really understand how algos working, that's pure math. So you need to like tell them, okay, you should take profits here. And if you know the big pockets having algos and bots on that level where they are taking profits, we should have some price reaction. So it's perfect for scalping. Sometimes even trend reversing or at least like making local lows and local highs. And it's tiny. It's not like Skinner Phoebe. He's not the only one. I saw this in Swiss. So, but they don't need to use it because they have bots for that. So like you will not see people draw that like manually like we do because they're quant firm. So like they already have a bot for that. And I have to use it because I don't have same bot with same amount of money like they do, so it's not the same. But anyway, you should only look for at least small scalps on that levels. If you have few more indicators or ideas why should reverse there, then it's good place to reverse. If you have two different fibs pointing the same area, then it's good way to make a short or long, doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect and it will not be perfect, but I can show you what I did on the NAS 100. I shorted all new time highs and I made money. Let me show you. So this was all-time high. This was all-time high. This was all-time high. And I shorted even this and it had the reaction as you can see, but on smaller time frame, and I got out. So these are three different projection telling me the same area, and I figured out it would be high, but it's too expensive for me to take short here and leave it to here. It's expensive for my my account for now, this account that I'm testing. So you can see like every time you expect some reaction like this. It doesn't have to be strong, and it doesn't have to be reversal. But for scalping, it's good if you like combine with something. What are the color meanings? It's just the fibs from TradingView. Like, it's from my settings. I just made it like that, as you can see. So like it was, I just took the background because it was annoying me. And I put dotted lines because this way I know it wasn't my manual line. So I know it's a fib projection, just the way I draw. So sorry, maybe I should explain that from start. Nothing too crazy.
Have you looked at Bitcoin recently?
Yeah, I had a position yesterday, made some money, but I don't know what happened with me and Bitcoin. We are not okay anymore. You didn't miss anything. Same lines. I think I have same lines like 4 months already. I'm lying. March, April, May, June. Yep, it's 4
How
months.
horrible is that fucking range? It just opens and closes all together. Ugh, Bitcoin, you piece of shit.
You evolve, man. Like, same as I did. Like, everybody's trading Euro USD. I don't know properly how to trade it, but you don't have to trade something that is not making you enough money. Like, you find other pair and just enjoy.
I'm gonna go heat up some dinner. It's 11 p.m. and then start my next round of work. So if you'll excuse me, gentlemen, I'll be back in 15.
No problem, thanks. So guys, in chat and everybody, what are you trading? What are you looking for? Any ideas? Any ideas for Dixie? We are printing money, but it's not even going down as it should. Yep, Euros USD, it's tiny, nice. I cannot comment on that. I really suck on Euro USD. So nice. If you're making money, I love it. That's the only important thing. Come on. Oh, we have 23 minutes till market opens, so that's a lot, to be honest. Can this please not be third top? Like, can you gain this fucking level? If this gain again, not again. If it gains now, this will not hold. Maybe just for a scalp.
Oh, it won't. It won't hold then.
Yeah, but maybe just for scalp, like one time and that's it. Just on 5 minutes, 3 minutes, just one hold. And I expected this, as I told you, if you remember, we have a gap on 97.67.
Yeah.
So I'm really expecting, maybe hoping, that's not good for trading, but I really expect that level to be hit. Then that would be nice for my short position.
How's the? You have the ES short, right?
Yep,
For
US
MT5.
500. Yep.
Yeah.
And it, for now, to be honest, it looks like shit. But I'm not even going to brand myself out of that. This is I shorted for different reason, and I will hold that because in my head we're going lower. That's only me.
And you have a stop loss, that one, right?
Not physically, but in my head, yeah, I know where I'm going to get out when I'm like, I will show you on my chart. If we pay past certain level, I'm out. If we pass this, I'm out. I will not hold anymore if we gain
You need
this.
to show MT5 then. Okay.
No, I can show you on, and I showed you on TradingView. So if we gain this, I'm out from that short.
Yeah.
But I have few for profit targets, and this position I'm doing that differently. I want to take profits and re-add. Take profits, re-add. This would be my long-term swing position, something like that. It's not proper swing because I will re-add and maybe elephant walk its style, but again, not even only that because it's different. I'm using few strategies there. So maybe I will get wrong, so I will get in the loss, but I will get out anyway. In profit or loss, doesn't matter.
Yeah. I think it's a good idea to go and find a long. NQ or
Color thingy. Color thingy is colored RSI. It's RSI with some moving averages and something something. To be honest, again, I code that, but we are using it differently, I think. It's changed color, yeah, automatically. This looks good for more down. Really looks good for down. And I know I'm long cable, but this also looks good for down. Come on. 18 minutes till market open. That's a lot. Nobody's.
it's a lot. Do
Yep.
a lot in 18 minutes.
Yep.
500 push-ups.
I can do that in 5, 7 minutes. Yep, I am now already on the level like I can do 50 push-ups series. So.
One time, yeah.
Patil, cable is GBP USD. That slang left still like catch on when they're trading. They were connected with a cable, and yep, and it stayed over the years. That pair like Britain and US. So GBP USD is the slang for cable. It's easier to say because GBP USD too many. It's hard for my tongue and don't have to use it, but like in forex world it's common pronunciation. Yep, looks good for down. Down, 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 down. Come on, just gain this level. 2 weeks to downside in a row, that's good sign for me. Mm, 7 seconds. Yep, this is looking good, better and better. So we still didn't lose 21, had a reaction, and now we're going down. No, I expect higher. So maybe it's time for me to short on my other account. But I really don't like that short. God damn it.
A short gap, you mean, or
I'm looking on the GBP, USD, or Aussie dollar to short because Dixie is looking good for higher.
Yeah.
So I'm looking what could I short. Oh, that was loud. So bad volatility, like even Klaus Scalper at the bot didn't took position even on 1 minute. That is how volatility low is. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Even
I think there will be volatility again today. So
yeah, just waiting for market open, like everybody's sitting scared, pussy,
yeah,
pussy.
waiting for
And
the news again.
And I fucking didn't short the already could make a profit on GBP. God damn it. Did I told you like long the dollar? Already.
I'm short on the euro dollar. Dollar's gonna up and euro down.
That pair isn't for me. I know it's most traded pair. Maybe that's the reason why I'm not good for that. But I'm being honest to myself. I don't do stuff that don't work for me. That doesn't make sense.
Sure, and I'm just watching some charts, and maybe I'll change to another few charts later on. But for now, I just like to trade this and then see how it goes.
Almost everybody are good on Euro USD. Only I suck. So like don't mind me. Trade if it's going good for you. Like do it. I tried too many times 2 different strategies, like few different strategies. Only candlestick pattern works for me, but that's way too long for me to wait, and I have to.
You cannot scalp it.
Yep, and I need to see every freaking candle, and that, like, no, I don't want to do that. Like, too much work for too small profit. Everything is middle range. Can something go somewhere? Support, resistance. Yep. And it tested higher, now dump.
Yeah, US dollar.
This looks maybe nice if we can gain this. Everything is hanging around 21. That's crazy. Doesn't make sense. Unbelievable. Like, can we gain, lose, gain, lose? Maybe it's just waiting for the market open. Do you remember, Razer, what I told you? I'm not going to make that $1,000 easy on that account. Like I will like be in a very bad spot on that psychologically. You have, I was last year same spot, uh, not on $1,000, but when you're close to goal, you're right to the goal, but just cannot reach it, and like psychologically, it's really hard. Like if I put next goal 10,000 that account, like I will go 9,900 and like stay there for 5 months. Unbelievable. Like only psychological problems.
What's next goal then? The first goal 1,000, the next goal is 5,000, I guess, or
I know everybody likes 1, 5, 10, but people that really knows the math, we are doing in 6s and 12s. So in my head, 6 is the goal, or at least 3. So in the old world, people were doing stuff in 12s, not in 10s. Where like you already know, like everybody's counting to 10, 20, like always round number. But in old world, when the people knew math much better than today, like people did math for stars and everything, and they even weren't going to the space. Everything was in 12. So like you can do half of 12 is 6, and like fourth is 3. So my goals are like 3, 6, 12. So
yeah, okay.
something like that. If you look at clock and stuff like that, like even Jesus 12
Bibles.
Yep, like everything was in 12. It wasn't like today, but doesn't matter. Even in coding we start with 0. Like it was it was job for me to make when it's when the scalper goes in the first position to say 1 and not a 0. Like I had to change some code for that, because on the basics everything for us is 0 and then 1. So the first counting in programming is 0, not 1. It's crazy, but that's just how it is. Stein, you have problem with the front running. Yep, I have that problem. Like same.
It was me, Steiny. I did it.
Yep, you moved forex market. What's this? Is this trading view or me? Can you hear me fine, Razer?
All
Yeah,
good
sure.
here.
So maybe only trading view, because like I'm typing and nothing is happening. They just figure out I'm using the free version. They don't want people having free versions and fancy indicators. For tomorrow's stream, I want to find a cucumber for the title. Fortunate, I lost 3 kilos in 7 days, eating beef jerky all day long. That's amazing, unbelievable, crazy.
So you skipped the carbs basically.
I still eat lunch, some carbs, but that's it. Like in the mornings and evenings and snacks, no carbs for me.
Yeah, makes a big difference. Carbs get converted straight to fat.
Yep, I knew that, but like I really like eating. Like when my friends tell me like it's easy for you, like I like to eat. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
sure.
live.
I also I still eat pizza or eat potato chips or so, but just not as much.
No, no, not potato chips. With this beef jerky, you just like open my eyes. I will do the same spice on the beef itself, so like it will be same, not same, but like and it's really great. I really like meat, so I don't have problems, and I'm still doing like 200 push-ups a day. And I know it's small. That's not even worth of like uh, speaking about. But like I'm starting to lose my belly, and I really like it from freaking uh, meat that's not even cooked or how it calls. It's not
Yeah,
baked.
it's not cooked raw meat. I mean, it's slowly cooked in a way like almost like sous vide, but I mean it's air dried.
Yeah, and tastes awesome. Like I like spices, and really great for your body. I didn't know.
What cut of meat did you use? Any specific cut?
No,
Like what
that's
part?
is that neck? Well, I need to Google it.
Chuck or so?
um, hmm, my internet sucks. Uh, nice, the stream is working good, but my internet sucks. I don't know why. I cannot open anything in the browser. Come on.
Maybe you just need to restart your browser.
No. When this happen, I need to restart my modem router. Uh, but I will not do that now. We're on the freaking live stream, so. And I still see it works fine. Zero dropped frames and stuff like that, so I will not stop it. And I want to see this open together. Take some positions maybe. And I still have this beeping sound. I need to fix that in my
Oh, I
headphones.
thought that was your UPS grounding issue. Still, so
Yeah, and I bought some cables with the grounding. It doesn't work. I think because I told you my electricity is 251 watts and it should be like 220, 210. So like they need to fix that, but here for any fixing, like complain today and they will fix in a year. Unbelievable. And you have like I have opinion, if you pay something, like get it down now, soon, the moment you can, but not here. Like you still pay a full price, even more, and people just don't care. Like they have time. Ooh, no, this doesn't look good. God damn it.
Minutes.
Ah, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Jesus Christ. Yep. The NAS 100 hold, fee projection, and the level. But US 500 doesn't look the same. Doesn't matter. Aussie dollar pumping.
I got that too. The US 500. They are the FIP, the 786.
Nice. This is
Still
too different from the two different swings. So like I know it's an area of importance, but
I got 31.40 to it.
you already know it
Wow.
doesn't have to be perfect. Like
For now, it seems it can get a candle body above that, but we'll see today what happens.
and still nothing is at the extremes. I cannot catch trend. I don't like middle position trend. But if I put
Make a
the,
sandwich.
but if I, oh nice. But if I put the trend trader bot, it would open position here and take like that's third profit target. Unbelievable. Fuck. Can I not do that on the netting account? Maybe I should switch back to hedging. Oof. Would like so much more positions to be able to take. Come on, market open, please. Nice. We opened the market. And let's wait for something to happen. Something. Boring day. Is that possible? So we have seven hours ago. In 2 hours we have fetcher. Okay, that's away there. Come on, something, some volatility. Nothing happened. Crazy. S&P 500 good for long maybe. Fuck. Just copped the NAS 100 long, but I clicked the freaking wrong button on the S&P 500. God damn it. That's going to hurt. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Clicked the wrong button. Really going to suck. Really going to hurt me. Fucking unbelievable. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. 100th time, fucking 2000 charts and stuff like that. Unbelievable. Motherfucker. Uh, what's happening? Uh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Can somebody hear me? Chat. Can somebody hear me talking in the chat? No. Say so. I'm on interest router. I will. Are we back, guys? Still connecting.
I lost the stream.
Can you hear me again?
I can hear you now. Did you lose the YouTube stream?
Maybe it's possible. Just a second. Stop streaming and stream. Everything is good on that part. Can you check again the link?
Reloading it here.
If it's not working, then I should. Unable to connect to chart. I have to. I have to end it and start again.